The RG700 PRO GPS drone is a powerful, professional-grade quadcopter ideal for capturing high-definition aerial photography. Equipped with an 8K dual-camera system, it provides crystal-clear images and videos with enhanced depth and detail. The 180 degrees electrically adjustable lens enables you to shift angles mid-flight, while the brushless motors deliver powerful and stable performance, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted flight. Key features: GPS return. Precise GPS functionality allows for reliable positioning and auto-return when the battery is low or signal is lost, giving you peace of mind. Intelligent obstacle avoidance. Equipped with sensors on all sides, this drone detects obstacles in real time, making for a safer flight experience. Optical Flow Positioning ensures stable hovering and smooth positioning, perfect for both indoor and outdoor shooting. 5G Wi-Fi image transmission. Experience low latency, high-quality video streaming with a transmission distance of up to 1,000 meters, ensuring stunning visuals in real time. 20 to 30 minute flight time, with a 7.4 volt 1600 mAh battery in the GPS version and 3.7 volt 1800 mAh in the Optical Flow version. The RG700 PRO provides ample time for capturing your desired footage. Gesture recognition and beauty filter. Capture photos or start recording simply with hand gestures, and use the beauty filter for enhanced, share-ready images. Waypoint flight and surround shooting. Customize your flight path through the app for cinematic shots, or circle around a point of interest for a dynamic perspective. Multi-speed modes and one-click return. Adjustable speed settings and easy one-click return functionality make this drone suitable for beginners and pros alike. Product specifications: flight time, 20 to 30 minutes depending on model. Camera, 8K dual lens with 180 degrees adjustable view. Control distance, up to 2,000 meters with GPS version. Transmission distance, 1,000 meters for clear, real-time visuals. Size and weight, compact, foldable design with sturdy build and travel-friendly storage. Package includes one RG700 PRO drone, one remote control, for spare propeller, one USB charging cable, one screwdriver, one storage bag, 2 user manuals. Whether you're an enthusiast or professional, the RG700 PRO GPS drone offers premium features, incredible imaging, and intuitive controls, making it an exceptional choice for aerial photography and exploration.